Want to whiten your teeth or fix them? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to fix your teeth on Facetune app. Let's get started. Open the Facetune app first on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Add from My Device. Now select the picture in which you want to fix the teeth. You can see many tools that you can use to edit the pictures. Swipe to the right. Tap on Whiten. Now you can use the auto feature to automatically detect the teeth and whiten them. Or you can tap on the whiten option, then use the scroller to whiten the teeth as you like. Just like so. Whereas to fix your teeth, you need the premium version of the application. After you're satisfied, tap on the save icon at the top right to save the edit. And that is how you can fix your teeth on Facetune. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.